In the last video, introduced about it is polar form of it is complex number. Now, there come to the next continuation of it is polar form complex number. First one, example number 2.23 represent the complex number. The given it is complex number represent the polar it is form. Therefore, given first one minus it is 1 minus it is I and it is equal to, we can write a polar form of the complex number equal to R into it is cos theta plus it is I into it is sin it is theta. Now, we want to write in the polar form of complex number. So, first of all, what is the first we want to find out as R value. Therefore, R means it is what? It is modulus of Z. That is equal to Z defined by Z equal to it is minus 1 minus it is I is called it is given it is complex number. Therefore, minus 1 minus it is I. Minus 1 minus I. That is equal to square root of it is minus 1 it is whole square plus quotient of it is I term equal to minus 1 it is whole square. That is equal to square root of it is 1 plus 1 that is equal to root of it is 2. That is called it is R value. Modulus of that is called modulus of Z. That is equal to R. Then find out as it is theta it is called argument. Theta is called it is argument of Z. Now what is the method? So find out as it is theta. Theta lies in it is what? It is minus it is 1 minus I. It is lies in the point form. It is minus 1 comma minus 1. Lies in which quadrant? It is third quadrant. Third quadrant. Here it is alpha value equal to this one. It is total angle that is equal to 1. Therefore, we can define by it is theta that is equal to alpha minus it is pi. Alpha minus it is pi. Therefore, it is find out as it is alpha value. Alpha that is equal to tan it is inverse of it is modulus of it is y by modulus of it is x. That is equal to tan it is inverse of it is modulus of y. Y value equal to minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 by modulus of minus it is 1 is called x value. That is equal to tan it is inverse of it is modulus of it is 1. That is equal to tan what value of tan it is 1. It is 45 degree. It is called pi by it is 4. Therefore, alpha equal to pi by it is 4. So, applying of it is this it is a theta lies which quadrant? It is a theta lies in third quadrant. Theta it is lie in it is third it is quadrant. Therefore, it is theta that is equal to it is alpha minus it is pi. Alpha minus it is pi. Therefore, it is equal to theta that is equal to alpha. What we obtain alpha value equal to pi by 4. Therefore, it is pi by it is 4 minus it is pi. And that is equal to it is pi minus it is 3. 4 it is pi by it is 4 that is equal to minus it is 3 pi by it is 4 is called it is a theta value. So now we obtain it is a theta. We obtain a theta value. Now applying of it is in the polar form, right? It is complex number in the polar form. Therefore, minus it is 1 minus I that is equal to R into it is cos it is theta plus I into sin it is theta. That is equal to R value we obtain equal root it is 2. Therefore, R equal to root 2 into cos of it is theta value equal to minus it is 3 by it is 3 pi by it is 4. Therefore, minus 3 pi by it is 4 is called it is argument it is theta plus into sin it is minus it is 3 pi by it is 4. It is called argument it is theta. So now we know it is one of the property of it is fourth quadrant property. It is negative angle it is minus theta. Therefore, here all are it is positive. Here sin and it is the reciprocal cosine is positive. It is tan and it is reciprocal it is cot is positive. And it is cos and it is reciprocal it is secant is positive. ASTC it is property of it is quadrant it is value. Now it is fourth quadrant it is minus value. The cos and it is secant only positive. Remaining of it is trigonometric ratios are get negative value. Already we know regarding it in the 11th portion. Therefore, we know it is cos of it is minus it is theta become it is cos it is theta. Then it is sin of it is minus theta that is equal to minus it is sin it is theta formula. So now again applying of this one it is cos of it is minus 3 pi by it is 4 and we write as it is cos minus theta equal to plus cos theta. Theta value equal to 3 pi by it is 4. Therefore, the cos it is 3 pi by it is 4 is called it is argument. Again it is sin of it is minus 3 pi by it is 4 that is equal to sin of it is minus theta equal to minus sin theta. That is equal to minus it is theta value equal to it is 3 it is pi by it is 4. Therefore, and this it is term become it is root 3 into root 2 into cos of it is 3, it is pi by it is 4, and then minus sin of it is 3, it is pi by it is 4, and it is called polar form of minus 1, it is minus, it is I. Polar form is called what it is, r into cos theta plus I sin theta is called polar form. The polar form of complex number minus 1 minus I equal to root 2 into cos it is 3 pi by it is 4 minus it is I into 3 pi by 4 is called it is polar form of it is complex number. In general form of polar form minus it is 1 minus I, that is equal to root 2 into cos of it is 2, it is k pi plus theta value equal to 3, it is pi by it is 4 minus I into sin of it is 2 k, it is pi minus plus it is 3, it is pi by it is 4, and here it is k is belongs to it is capital R. K is belong to capital R. It is called general form. General form. In the general form means it is argument of it is theta. We can add it at 2k pi, and k belongs to capital R. Depends upon the k value. Every depends upon the k, that the angle will be changed. Therefore, general form equal to adding of it is 2k pi to argument. Okay, see the next example. Example number 2.24. Find the principal argument of Z. The principal argument is defined by it is argument of Z. Capital it is A, argument of Z, represent it is argument of Z, it is lies between of it is minus pi less than or equal to argument of it is Z, that is less than or equal to plus it is pi. It is called it is a principal, it is argument. Principal argument, it is the theta, it is lies, it is from it is positive 0 to it is pi, then it is 0 to negative side of it is less than it is minus pi, it is plus pi. Therefore, it is not touch it is value, it is value. Therefore, minus pi less than it is theta, less than it is less than or equal to plus pi, it is called it as principal, it is value. So, for this, if any of theta lies in this quadrant, it is called it is what it is alpha, it is alpha that is equal to theta that is equal to alpha. If any of it is points lies on this quadrant, and angle between of it is x-axis to the value, it is defined by it is alpha. Therefore, from here to here it is pi. Therefore, pi minus subtracting this angle is called alpha. So, therefore, first quadrant theta, the point it is P lies on first quadrant, that is argument of it is Z is called defined by it is theta equal to alpha. The theta point lies on second quadrant, therefore, it is argument of it is theta defined by theta equal to pi minus it is alpha. The third quadrant point is lies on third quadrant, the theta is equal to alpha minus it is pi. Fourth quadrant it is theta equal to minus alpha, already we know. Therefore, the principal value, the principal it is argument lies on it is minus pi less than it is argument of Z less than or equal to pi, and that is called lies on it is the principal it is argument. Now, we want to find out a principal argument in the sum. Let us consider a given complex number Z that is equal to minus 2, 1 plus it is I into it is root 3. Just remove off it is a complex number denominator. We want to take a complex conjugate of the denominator and multiply it by conjugate of complex number denominator. Therefore, 1 minus it is I into root 3 by it is 1 minus I into root 3. It is conjugate of denominator, multiply and divided by. Now, again applying of what form? A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square form, a equal to 1 and I root 3 is called it is b. Therefore, it is 1 square minus it is I into root it is 3, it is whole square. So, just multiply minus 2 into 1 minus I into root 3, that is equal to 1 square is called 1, I square value equal to minus 1, minus plus it is root 3 and root 3. Therefore, it is just multiply inside the bracket minus 2 and minus into minus plus it is 2, it is root 3 into it is I. Now, that is equal to minus it is 2 plus it is 2e into root 3 it is I by it is 4. Now, separating of denominator, it is minus 2 by it is 4 plus it is I into 2 it is root 3 by it is 4. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus it is I into it is root 3 by it is 2. It is given it is final form of rectangular form of it is complex number. Here it is x that is equal to it is minus 1 by 2. minus it is 1 by 2 call x, then y that is equal to it is root 3 by 2 is called it is y. So now what is that? Find out as it is the lies on it is condition, it is x value equal to minus, y value equal to plus. Approximately minus it is 1 by 2, minus it is root 3 by it is 2, and this is a point, it is p, it is minus it is 1 by 2 comma plus it is root 3 by 2. Therefore it is a point, it is a p, and it is angle between of x axis to it is value, it is called defined by alpha. Therefore angle between of it is from origin, that is x axis to angle of positive direction, that is equal to it is called pi minus it is alpha, that is called it is theta, Therefore any of points lies on it is second quadrant, theta equal to pi minus it is alpha, already we know. So just it is first to find out alpha value. Therefore here it is alpha, that is equal to tan it is inverse of it is modulus of it is y by modulus of it is x, that is equal to tan it is inverse of it is y. What is y? Y is called it is modulus of it is root 3 by it is 2 by it is 1, x that is equal to minus 1 by 2, modulus of minus it is 1 by 2, and it is equal to tan it is inverse of it is root 3 by it is 2, minus will cancel, and 2 also it is cancelled, 2 r it is cancelled. Therefore it is root 3, root 3 it is called remaining. Therefore what value of it is tan? It is root 3, tan it is 60 degree, that is equal to root 3. Therefore it is tan it is inverse of it is tan it is pi by it is 3 is called it is 60 degree. Therefore tan will cancel, it is pi by it is 3, pi by 3 is called it is alpha value. Therefore it is alpha equal to pi by it is 3. Understand? Now just applying of it is formula. Therefore it is theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Theta lie on it is second it is quadrant. Therefore it is theta is equal to it is pi minus it is alpha. It is equal to pi minus alpha equal what we obtain? It is alpha equal to pi by 3. Alpha equal to pi by it is 3. That is equal to separate the value 3 pi minus it is pi by it is 3, and that is equal to 2 pi by it is 3. That is called it is theta. Theta is called what? It is argument of it is z, that is equal to theta, that is equal to 2 pi by it is 3. Therefore it is 2 into pi by it is 3, that is equal to 2 into 180 by 3, cancel it is 60, that is equal to 120. 120 is called minus it is pi, minus it is less than of it is theta, less than or equal to pi. Therefore it is theta lies between of it is minus pi, less than or equal to plus it is pi. Therefore it is principal argument. The principal argument is defined by it is theta and lies on it is interval of minus pi and less than or equal to plus pi. Okay, now we continue next one. It is the properties of it is polar form. First one, z that is equal to r into cos theta plus psi sin theta, it is called polar form of z, already we know. Now we want to find out it is z inverse equal to 1 by r into cos theta minus psi sin theta, that we want to prove. So now we can take it is z inverse that is equal to 1 by z inverse that is equal to 1 by z, that is equal to 1 by z, we know it is r into it is cos theta plus it is I into it is sin it is theta, it is called it is z value. Now what we want to do to avoiding of it is complex form, to take conjugate of denominator. Therefore I will multiply conjugate of denominator equal to cos theta plus psi sin theta as a conjugate equal to cos theta minus psi sin theta. Therefore it is cos it is theta minus I into sin it is theta numerator, again it is denominator cos theta minus I into it is sin theta denominator. So again a plus b a minus b form, numerator equal to cos it is theta minus I into it is sin it is theta numerator by r 1 by it is r into r 1 by r into it is a plus b a minus b equal to cos square it is cos theta it is whole square minus I into sin theta it is whole square, and that is equal to it is cos it is theta minus it is sin it is theta numerator, it is r into it is cos square it is theta, I square value equal to minus 1 minus plus it is sin square it is theta. Therefore sin square plus cos square is equal to, we know, is equal to 1. Therefore it is 1 by r into it is cos it is theta minus I into it is sin theta by it is 1. Therefore it is 1 by r into cos theta minus I into sin theta is called z, it is inverse. That is one of the property of polar form. Okay, come to the second one. If it is Z1 that is equal to R1 into cos theta 1 plus I into sin theta 1, is called this polar form of complex number Z1. Then it argument of Z1 defined by it is what? It is a theta 1. And argument is called, we know it is theta is called argument of Z. Here it is Z1 as complex number, argument defined by it is theta 1. Therefore, argument of Z1 equal to theta 1. Similarly, argument Z2 equal to R2 into cos theta 2 plus I into sin theta 2 is second it is number, argument of Z equal, similarly it is theta 2. Now we want to prove that it is product of it is a two complex number Z1 and Z2 equal to R1 into R2 into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I into sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Thus the meaning of it is one, the product of two complex number and product the real term what the real values are all, it is a scalar values are, it is defined by R1 R2, that just the product of it is scalars, it is R1 R2, and just it is adding of it is argument, cos theta cos into the adding of two argument, it is theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I into adding of this argument of it is second one, it is theta 1 plus theta 2. This is called one. If you product of two number, just adding of it is a argument of it is complex number. So now what we have to do is a proof. Now we know already Z1, Z2, Z1, Z2 is equal to Z1 equal to what it is R1 into it is cos it is theta 1 plus I into it is sin it is theta 1, it is called it is Z1 into R2 into it is cos it is theta 2 plus it is I into sin it is theta 2 is called Z2. Just multiply the scalars are it is R1 into R2, just it is multiply 2 it is brackets, multiply the term it is 1 in cos theta 1 into cos theta 2, therefore it is cos theta 1 into it is cos it is theta 2. Then multiply plus it is I into it is cos it is theta 1 into it is sin into it is sin it is theta 2. Then multiply here it is plus it is I into sin it is theta 1 into it is cos it is theta 2. Then I into I it is I square value equal to minus it is sin theta 1 into sin theta 2. Therefore, it is sin theta 1 into it is sin it is theta 2. Now just it is adding of real term, it is cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 the real term minus sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 is called real term. Just combine the two real terms, that is equal to R1 into R2 scalars right as it is into it is cos it is theta 1 into it is cos theta 2 and minus it is sin it is theta 1 into it is sin it is theta 2. It is real terms. And then it is in these two term we have it is imaginary term, it is take commonly it is I, and what is that? It is first right, the first term this one it is sin it is theta 1 into it is cos it is theta 2, then plus it is cos it is theta 1 into it is sin it is theta 2. Now comparing of it is last equation, cos it is, we know the formula of it is cos it is A plus it is B, and that is equal to cos it is A into it is cos B minus it is sin it is A into it is sin it is B. It is cos A plus B formula. Again it is sin of it is A plus B, it is equal to sin it is A into it is cos it is B plus it is cos it is A into it is sin it is B into sin B. Therefore, the first bracket cos theta 1 into cos theta 2, cos A into cos B minus it is sin A into sin B, A equal to theta 1, B equal to it is theta 2. Therefore, and this bracket we can rewrite as a cos it is A plus B form, A is called it is theta 1 and B is called theta 2. Therefore, it is R1 into R2 is equal to cos it is theta 1 plus it is theta 2. Then it is plus it is I into, and second one the second form it is sin of it is A plus B equal to sin A into cos B and plus it is cos A into sin B. Therefore, it is cos sin it is theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus cos theta 1 into sin theta 2. We can write as it is sin of it is theta 1 is called it is A and plus it is theta 2 it is called it is B. Therefore, it is Z1 it is Z2. Therefore, it is product of it is two complex number Z1 Z2 is equal to scalars are just multiply R1 R2. Now it is cos it is of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I into sin of it is theta 1 theta 2. Just it is product of two numbers, just adding of it is argument. From this it is the product of it is complex number Z1 Z2. What is called as argument here? Argument is what here? Argument is called theta 1 plus theta 2. Therefore, argument of it z1, z2 defined by it is theta 1 plus it is theta 2. So, already we know and theta 1 defined by argument of z1, theta 2 defined by argument of z2. Therefore, it is argument of it is z1 is called theta 1 plus it is argument of it is z2 is called theta 2. Therefore, it is argument of z1 into z2 that is equal to argument of z1 plus it is argument of z2. Come to the last one, and z1 by z2 is equal to r1 by r2 into cos of it is theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I into sin of it is theta 1 minus theta 2 we want to prove, and also argument of z1 by z2 equal argument of z1 minus argument of z2 that we want to prove. Now let us consider a complex number z1 by it is z2 is equal to z1 we know r1 into it is cos it is theta 1 plus I into it is sin it is theta 1 is called it is z1 by it is z2 equal to r2 into it is cos it is theta 2 plus I into it is sin it is theta 2. So again if we want to remove the complex it is denominator, just we have to take a conjugate of denominator, that is equal to r1 by r2 is called it is scalar into it is cos it is theta 1 plus I into it is sin it is theta 1 by it is cos it is theta 2 plus it is I into it is sin it is theta 2, and conjugate is called it is cos it is theta 2 minus it is I into sin it is theta 2 by it is cos it is theta 2 minus I into sin it is theta 2 conjugate value, and it is equal to r1 by r2 into applying of it is a plus b, a minus b form, it is a is called it is cos theta 2 and b is called minus I sin theta 2, therefore it became it is cos square it is theta 2 plus it is I into it is I square value become it is plus, therefore it is sin square it is theta it is 2, it is denominator. Now just multiply numerator value, multiply it is cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 first term, it is cos it is theta 1 into cos it is theta 2, then minus into plus minus it is I into sin it cos it is theta 1 into it is sin it is theta 2, then multiply these two terms plus it is I into sin it is theta it is 1 into it is cos it is theta 2, then it is plus into minus it is I square, I into I square value become plus, so minus into plus into minus, but I square value equal to it is plus, therefore minus plus it is sin theta 1 into sin theta 2, sin it is theta 1 into it is sin theta it is 2. Now that is equal to denominator become it is 1, therefore it is r1 by it is r2, the numerator we can write our combining value of real term to real term into it is sin cos it is theta 1 into cos it is theta 2, then it is plus it is sin it is theta 1 into it is sin it is theta 2 real term, then it is taking off it is is commonly, take it is is commonly, plus term it is called sin it is theta 1 into cos it is theta 2, then minus into cos it is theta 1 into sin it is theta 2, that is remaining in the numerator. Therefore applying of same it is formula, it is cos it is theta 1 is called it is a, cos a into cos b plus it is sin a into sin b, it is plus it is value we can apply it as minus formula. Therefore it is r1 by it is r2 equal to cos it is theta 1 minus it is theta 2, cos a minus b equal to cos a into cos b minus plus it is sin a into sin b. If it is cos it is between of ab minus formula we have plus, if it is plus we are it is minus here. Therefore plus it is again it is I into sin we have it is minus as minus only. Therefore into sin into a value equal to theta it is 1 minus b value equal to theta 2. Therefore it is z1 by it is z2. So z1 by z2 equal to r1 by r2 into cos of it is theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I into sin of it is theta 1 by theta 2 is called it is third property. Now look at this, it is quotient, it is property z1 by z2. What is argument? Argument called what here? It is theta 1 minus theta 2. Therefore argument of it is z1 by z2 that is equal to theta 1 minus it is theta 2. Now we know it is theta 1 is called what? Theta 1 is called it is what? Theta 1 equal argument of z1. Therefore it is argument of z1 minus it is argument of z2. Therefore argument of z1 by z2 that is equal to argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Using the properties of it is polar number, now discussing some of the problems. Example number 2 point it is 25. Find the product of the two complex numbers and the rectangular form. Now let us consider it is the equation, it is 3 by it is 2 into it is cos it is pi by 3 plus it is I into sin it is pi by it is 3 into 6 into it is cos phi pi by it is 6 plus it is I into sin it is phi pi by it is 6. So just it is multiply the scalar first, that is equal to 3 by 2 into it is 6 within the bracket. We know the property of it is z1 into z2. So what we want to do in the property of it is a product form. If you multiply that product of two complex number, just it is adding of it is argument only. Therefore it is cos of it is argument here, it is first two number is called it is pi by it is 3. Pi by it is 3 plus it is second complex number argument is called 5 pi by it is 6. 5 it is pi by it is 6 plus again I into similarly sin of it is pi by 3 plus it is 5 pi by it is 6. Z1 into Z2 equal to argument of it is adding of argument of Z1 and Z2. Therefore it is cos of it is theta 1 plus it is theta 2 plus I into theta 1 plus theta 2, and just cancel the term, it is 3 is equal to 9. Within the bracket of it is cos of it is take common denominator, just multiply by it is 2 will get a 6. Therefore it is multiply by 2 into 2. Therefore it is cos of it is 2 pi, 2 it is pi plus it is 5 it is pi by common denominator equal to 6 plus it is I into plus I into sin of it is same. It is what it is 2 it is pi plus it is 5 pi by it is 6. Now just add the value, it is 2 plus it is 5 that is equal to 7 pi, that is equal to 9 into cos of it is 7 pi by it is 6 plus it is I into sin of it is 7 pi by it is 6. It is final form. So now this number minus it is 7 it is pi by it is 6, it is does not lies out it is minus pi less than it is theta, that is called argument of it is z theta less than or equal to plus pi, because 7 into pi is called it is 180 by 6 cancel it is 30. So multiply that is equal to it is 200 it is 10. 210 it is outside of the interval of it is minus pi less than it is theta less than or equal to pi. Therefore it is our it is theta value not lies on it is principal it is argument. Principal it is argument. Therefore we convert it is 7 pi by 6 into it is our principal it is argument minus pi less than it is theta less than or equal to plus pi. The main thing, our theta should be in the minus pi less than it is theta less than or equal to plus pi. So convert as it is 7 pi by 6 in the principal it is argument. Okay, now what we want to do, just it is splitting off it is 7 pi by 6. That is equal to 9 in the outside, it is cos of it is pi plus it is pi by it is 6. Multiply the value taking common denominator, it is 6 pi plus 1 pi 7 pi plus it is I into similarly it is pi plus it is pi by it is 6. Convert it is 7 pi by 6 as it is pi plus pi by 6. That is 7 it is pi by it is value. Now comparing of it is this it is value. It is cos of it is pi plus it is pi by it is 6. So what is meaning here, it is pi plus it is lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. So the theta lies in it is third quadrant. What is the cos value, nature of the cos? Cos become it is minus, because it is all are positive, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Sin and it is the reciprocal, it is cosecant, it is positive. Here it is tan and it is the reciprocal, it is cot is positive, and it is cos and it is secant are positive. Therefore in this it is quadrant number 3, tan and cot are only positive, sin will get as negative value. Therefore it is sin will get negative value minus, and pi is called supplementary. Pi is called supplementary, is called 180 degree. We know the properties of it is complementary, supplementary. If it is supplementary angle will come, then outside ratio, right, as it is. If it is complementary angle is called what? The product of it is 90. Pi by it is 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 will come. In that place, write a complementary of it is outside it is trigonometric ratio. Therefore supplementary cos, right, again it is same, it is cos. Here theta value equal to pi by 6. Okay, similarly, next one, it is sine of it is pi plus it is pi by it is 6. Again that is equal to, again it is sine also the third quadrant, it is sine also positive because tan and cot only. Therefore, sine will get 9 minus. Then supplementary angle sine becomes same, it is sine of it is theta value equal to pi by 6. That is equal to minus it is sine it is pi by 6. Therefore, 9 into this term it is obtained minus it is cos pi by 6 minus it is cos it is pi by 6, then plus it is I into, and this term obtained minus sine minus it is sine it is pi by it is 6, and that is equal to 9 within the bracket minus it is cos it is pi by 6 is called what? Cos it is pi by it is 6, that is equal to cos it is 30 degree equal to it is root 3 by it is 2. Again it is sine it is pi by 6, sine it is pi by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos pi by 6 equal to root 3 by it is 2, already we have sine. Then it is plus into minus it is I into sine pi by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, it is 1 by it is 2. Just multiply the 9 inside the bracket is equal minus 9 into root 3 by it is 2, and then minus it is 9 I into by it is 2. Therefore, it is what is given it is complex number, the product of two complex number, final answer equal to minus 9 root 3 by 2 minus it is 9 I by it is 2 is called it is final product of the complex number. Next example number 2.26, find the quotient of the it is complex number in the rectangular it is form. So now we know it is Z1 by Z2 is equal to R1 by it is R2, just it is dividing of it is scalar it is form into it is cos it is theta 1 minus it is theta it is 2 plus it is I into sin it is theta 1 minus it is theta 2. Just it is taking out difference of it is argument of it is 2 it is complex number by applying of this quotient it is property here. Now same one we want to do here. Here it is theta 1 defined by it is what? Theta 1 defined by it is 9 it is pi by it is 4. Then theta 2 is defined by it is theta it is 2 defined by it is minus 3 pi by it is 2. So now that is equal to just R1 by R2, 2 by it is 4 into it is cos of it is theta it is 1 is called 9 it is pi by 4 minus of and theta 2 is called minus it is 3 pi by it is 2 plus it is I into similarly sin of it is 9 it is pi by it is 4 minus of it is minus 3 pi by it is 2. So, where cos argument and sin argument both are it is same. If you obtain the same cos value, same only for it is sin. Now, multiply the term that is equal to 1 by it is 2. 1 by it is 2 into cos of it is 9 pi by 4 minus plus 3 pi by it is 2 plus it is I into sin of it is 9 it is pi by it is 4 plus it is 3 pi by it is 2. So, we want to take common denominator, we want to multiply by 2, just multiply 2 by 2 into it is 2 by it is 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of it is 9 pi, take common denominator equal to 4, it is 9 it is pi, 2 into 3 is called plus it is 6 it is pi, plus I into sin of it is similarly 9 it is pi, plus it is 6 by it is 4. Now, adding the term equal to 15. Therefore, it is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of it is 15 it is pi by it is 4 plus it is I into sin of it is 15 it is pi by it is 4. It is called next one. So, now we again it is comparing of this it is term 15 it is pi by it is 4, that is equal to 15 into pi is called it is 180 by 4, cancel the term it is 4 time it is 16 remainder 2 it is 5 time it is 20. Now multiply the term it is 15 into it is 45, it is for 25 2 remainder it is 5 it is 7, it is 20 2 remainder it is 6. Therefore, it is 576. Therefore, 576 does not belongs to it is minus pi less than it is theta less than or equal to plus pi. Therefore, this number it is does not belongs to the interval of it is principal it is argument. Therefore, we want to convert 15 pi by 4, convert as it is term in the principal it is value. So, what we want to do here it is that is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of it is 4 it is pi minus it is pi by it is 4. just multiply, it is 4 and 4 are 16 pi minus 1 pi. So 16 pi minus 1 pi, it is called 15 pi. Therefore 15 pi by it is 4, we can rewrite as a 4 pi minus pi by 4, plus it is I into, similarly sin of it is 14, 4 it is pi minus it is pi by it is 4. So now compare here, what is it? Argument value. So here it is what? Cos of it is 4, it is pi minus it is pi by it is 4. 4 pi it is called, it is supplementary angle, because pi is called supplementary. The 4 times of pi also it is supplementary angle. If supplementary angles will come, what we want to do here, it is the same, it is cos. Therefore it is cos of it is pi minus it is pi by it is 4. The theta it is called 1. Therefore here comparing of it 1, pi is called supplementary and pi minus it is a theta. Pi minus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Pi minus theta it is called second quadrant, it is called alpha value. Therefore here from here to here it is pi minus it is alpha. Therefore it is what? It is here it lies on, the theta lies in second quadrant, cos value equal to minus. Therefore minus it is cos of it is theta equal to what? It is pi by it is 4. Cos it is pi minus it is theta, that is equal to minus it is cos it is theta formula. So it is theta lies in it is second quadrant, cos pi minus theta equal to minus it is cos theta, because cos it is negative value in the second quadrant and theta equal to same it is theta, minus it is cos theta, cos pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Therefore it is minus it is cos pi by it is 4. That is equal to 1 by 2 into this term, it is minus it is cos it is pi by it is 4. Then plus I into, again applying same it is argument, it is sin. Therefore it is sin, what is it? Sin it is pi 4 pi minus it is pi by it is 4. It is equal to supplementary angle become it is same, it is pi minus it is pi by it is 4. So supplementary pi. So it is pi 1 and pi minus it is theta lies in second quadrant it is sin value is positive. Therefore it is equal to sin it is become positive, theta value equal to pi by 4, it is pi by it is 4. Therefore it is sin it is pi by it is 4. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus it is cos it is pi by 4 is called, it is pi by 4 is called 45 degree. So cos 45 degree equal to 1 by it is root 2. Then plus it is I into sin it is pi by 4 is called sin 45 degree equal to 1 by it is root 2. That is equal to just multiply the value minus 1 by 2 into root 2. 2 into it is root 2. Then it is plus it is I into 1 by 2 into root 2. 2 into it is root 2. Therefore it is given it is complex, given it is quotient form. Given quotient form of the complex number z1 by z2 equal to minus it is 1 by 2 in root 2 plus I into 1 by 2 in root is called as quotient of it is a given complex number. Just taking off it is common denominator, that is equal to minus 1 plus it is I is numerator by it is 2 into root 2. So if we want to remove it is the root 2 denominator as irrational number, just we want to multiply by root 2 by it is root 2. That is equal to root 2 into root 2 it is 2. Therefore it is 2 into 2 is denominator. Just multiply it is a complex number. What is it? Root 2 into minus 1 is called minus it is root 2. Then it is plus it is I into it is root 2. That is divided by it minus root of it is minus it is root 2 plus it is I into it is root 2 by it is 4. Now separating the value, minus it is root 2 by it is 4 and plus it is I into root 2 by it is 4. Therefore it is called standard rectangular form of it is a complex number. It is called standard form of it is a complex number. Okay, see the next example, it is 2.27. If it is z equal to x plus iy, then argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to 90, pi by it is 2 is called 90. Then show that x square plus y square equal to 1. Now just first of all to simplify this, it is a term, it is z minus 1 by z plus 1. Z minus 1 by z it is plus it is 1 is equal to z equal to what? X plus iy. X plus it is I, it is y by it is x minus it is 1 by it is x plus it is iy plus it is 1. Now just adding of real term x minus 1 plus it is I into y. Then adding of real term it is x plus it is 1 plus it is I, it is y, imaginary term. So again we want to remove it is a complex number, to take conjugate form x plus 1 minus I into y. X plus it is 1 minus it is I into y by it is x plus it is 1 minus it is I into y. Now I am applying of it is a plus b minus form. Denominator is called a is called it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square, and I y is called it is b it is I square equal to minus plus it is y square. Now just it is multiply numerator. What a numerator is called x minus 1 into it is x plus it is 1. Then multiply minus it is I into x plus it is 1 into it is y. Then multiply plus it is I into y into x plus it is 1. Then I into I square value equal minus plus it is y square. It is final, it is multiplication. So that is equal to, so collecting of it is real term. If you multiply these two term it is real, and here also one real, and just combining of it is real term. That is equal to x minus it is 1 into x plus it is 1 plus it is y square is called real term, plus it is imaginary terms are it is what it is minus x minus 1 minus I take common minus it is x plus it is 1 into y, then it is plus y into x plus it is 1, that is a real term, by it is what denominator, same denominator, x plus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is y square. Now just multiply simplification of the equation. It is a plus b, a minus b, it is x square minus it is 1 square is called 1 plus it is y square plus it is I into just it is multiply, it is minus it is xy minus it is xy, and then it is minus it is y minus y, then it is multiply plus it is x it is y minus it is y. Therefore plus xy minus y cancel, by it is the same denominator, that is equal to x square plus it is y square minus 1 plus it is I into minus it is 2y by it is the same, it is denominator. Now that is equal, separating of denominator, it is x square plus it is y square minus it is 1 by it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is y square plus it is I into minus 2y by it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is y square. That is called, it is given complex number in the rectangular form, it is called real term and it is imaginary term. Now what we want to find, it is argument of z equating to it is 90 degree. Therefore it is argument of it is z minus 1 by z plus it is 1, that is equal to pi by it is 2, it is given that, it is called, it is given that in the equation. Now comparison of it is last it is equation, and argument of z, what is the meaning of argument of z? Argument of it is z, that is equal to it is tan it is inverse of it is modulus of it is y by modulus of it is x, it is called argument formula. Therefore it is, that is equal to tan it is inverse of it is argument of x is called it is what is the value, this one is called x and this one is called is y. Therefore it is argument of modulus of it is 2 minus 2y by it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is y square, numerator it is called y, denominator is called x is called it is x square plus it is y square minus 1 by it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is y square, it is called denominator, and this equal to it is pi by it is 2. Therefore tan it is inverse of, now what is the denominator, it is 2y minus will cancel, it is 2 it is y by it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is y square by it is x square plus it is y square minus 1 by x plus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is y square, and this numerator denominator both are same term cancel, that is equal to pi by it is 2. Now that is equal to tan it is inverse of the numerator equal to 2 pi, denominator equal to x square plus it is y square minus 1. Therefore 2 it is y by it is x square plus it is y square minus 1, that is equal to it is 90. Just it is tan inverse called 1 by tan, 1 by it is tan, the tan transfer to right hand side equation, the remaining it is left hand side is called 2y by it is x square plus it is y square minus 1, that is equal to tan it is 90 degree. So 1 by tan to multiply with 90, tan 90 equal to what? Infinity is equal to 1 by 0, infinity you can write 1 by 0, it is equal to 2y by it is x square plus it is y square minus it is 1, just it is transfer it is term. So 0 comes to left hand side equation 0, and right hand side multiply the value x square plus it is y square minus 1, therefore x square plus it is y square, that is equal to plus it is 1, that we want to prove. Okay, dear student, regarding it is a polar form of complex number, now discuss a few example sums in the today. The remaining exercise problem continue tomorrow. Thank you, one and all.